Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make money on the Crypto.com app. First, ensure your account is verified and funded with cryptocurrency or fiat. Navigate to the Earn section to explore options like staking and interest-bearing accounts. You can deposit various cryptocurrencies to start earning passive income immediately. Always review the terms and conditions for each earning product, including lockup periods and potential risks. This initial setup is crucial for maximizing your returns. Staking allows you to lock up your crypto to support network operations and earn rewards. For example, you can stake CRO for up to 10% annual percentage yield. With Crypto Earn, you can deposit stablecoins like USD and earn up to 12% annually. Longer lockup periods, such as 3 months, typically offer higher interest rates compared to flexible terms. Always consider the specific asset's volatility and your investment horizon. Beyond passive earning, active trading on the Crypto.com app can generate profits by buying low and selling high. The app offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies for spot trading. For advanced users, the DeFi wallet connects you to decentralized finance protocols, allowing you to participate in yield farming or provide liquidity. Remember, trading involves higher risk and requires careful market analysis. Always manage your risk exposure effectively. While earning on Crypto.com can be rewarding, it's vital to acknowledge the risks involved, including market volatility and potential impermanent loss in DeFi. Never invest more than you can afford to lose, and always conduct thorough research before committing funds. Diversifying your investments across different assets and strategies can help manage risk. For more insights and deals, including a great way to read anywhere, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.